Here, this code represents the application which provides a simple authentication system using Firebase Firestore to store the user data and login details. Here, now the code starts by importing the necessary modules using the require function. Express is used to create a web browser, and while Firebase admin is used to interact with the Firebase services, specifically with Firestore for database operations. The initialize app function is used to call the initialize the Firebase admin SDK, which allows the application to interact with the services of Firebase using the administrative privileges. And the application express.static is used to serve the static files from the public directory, and this allows in CSS and JS. Sign up and login routes to serve a static HTML file to the client or the user for login purposes. And sign up, submit and login submit routes handle for submissions from the front end. Dashboard routes sends a simple hi message when the user tries to interact with the database. Sign up submit route. This indicates that when user submits the sign up form, the data is extracted from the query parameters and stored in the login collection in the Firebase Firestore using the add method. And the login submit route is used when the user submits the login form. The server queries the login collection in the Firestore with the provided email and password using the where method. Now let us see the execution. By executing it, write the syntax node and filename.js. See, we can see the output here, and enter the details, name, email and password, and submit the login. Now you can see the details which are stored in Firestore database. So now we can see here, as I already created the project called login, so click on the project login and the page will be opened like this. This is the project page. Scroll down and click on the Cloud Firestore. Now it opens the details of which I entered. See, you can see here login, which was the name, and email ID which I was entered, and the entered name of mine, and the password which I set here. So like this we can see store the details of the user and the login details in the Firestore database using this Express.js. And so this is the way of storing the details.